Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on where you are in the world. We had a little hiccup because my provider decided to just kill my stream, kill the internet connection. So we'll just pretend nothing happened and we just start all over again. And today's new show of live coding, office development with Maarten van Stam, that's me. And let's start the show again. Ta-da! Well, what happened? My internet provider, Ziggo, decided to pull the plug on me and my router went back to 0 and apparently rebooted. So I lost my connection and we just start over again with another episode of Office Development. And last time, let me quickly change my screen. Let me see. This one. What we did last time was mess around with the save method on the document, on this document. Check the saved state, and what we noticed was that if we save the document with the run window open, it immediately changed back to dirty again. And what I did was file a little issue on the ScriptLab repo, and that was picked up by Miguel Slatkovsky, hard name for a Dutch person, and he moved it to the 1.2b patches to get this fixed, hopefully. So this is work in progress, and what I wanted to do today is try to find out how to open a document or create a new document. This is a little screen capture from Channel 9 production for Build 2017, and back then Juan Balmori announced the release of version 1.3, now in production, containing open create new documents. So what I want to find out is how to do this, because what's the use of an add-in when you're not able to open or create a new document? In version 1.1 and 1.2 it was not in there, so what's you could arbitrarily discuss what the use was of the add-ins prior to version 1.3. But first let's check out how to do this. And I already started a little Google, I would say, but actually a Bing for creating a new document. Google. Let's hope my connection stays alive this time. Open a document, Word, Office, JS. Yes, privacy. So why is this Dutch? How to open a new Word document. On add open documents, context application create document, get document base 64. There's a new method we are adding. Look, this is by Juan Balmori again. That you can actually use to achieve this. What's the question? I've developed a word add-in using a JavaScript API. My document docx is on the server and I need to open the docx document as a new Word document. On a button, click in the add-in. Please guide me how to open a new document in the Word add-in. So there's a new method we are adding to the API that we can actually use to achieve this. Notice it's in a preview. Apparently at build 2017 it was released. Which means it will be in production in a couple of months. You need the latest Office version plus reference or preview Office.js. Try this, and the Office.js in this case is this one, but let's see what it's pointing to. It's version at this time, version 2.3. This file contains the following promise. Your use of this file, served agreement. There's a goal, I think. Yes, my soccer team just scored. This is not what I was looking for, obviously. So the function is function on add open doc. Run code snippet. I don't think that will work in here. Create document. Let's quickly copy this. Because the show notification is not in here. Close this quickly. Let's change this to test open document. Demo how to open a new Word document using Office.js. Yeah. Update. I'm not sure if it's now updating my existing gist because that's not what I wanted, but at least let me see. Await word run. Let's put this in some comment over here. So there's the word run. Kill this, because that was from our previous live coding. Let's see if I still everything in there. That's this one, yes. In this case, it said create a variable, my new doc is context application and create document is in there. Document. takes is a string get document as base 64. Get document as base 64. And my guess is that this is a function in some script lab gist or something. Let me try to find this. Things is working, waiting for production, still not in production. Let's Google this. Let's Bing this. Office JS. This is the same thing, same one. Open spec. Oh, oops. Oops.
So take me with you all the way, rainy day, all the way.
Office.js docs, Office.js docs, PR, reference. Did I change this? Docs reference. Outlook only. Welcome to the Office JavaScript API reference documentation repository. Best recommend view this on docs.microsoft.com. Yes, of course. You can find the documentation source files in the Office.js docs PR. Which one is this? Docs reference. It's production, maybe. By the way, let me check if my is working. No, it's not. So let's check YouTube. Live events? Do we have a live event? Why is this not live? YouTube. Let's check my Creator Studio. Live streaming. Apparently we are live streaming. But where is the channel. Why isn't it showing on my channel? Channel. Live now. There's nothing live now, but there is. Oh no, it's probably still private. Is it? Really? Come on. Live streaming. Oh, it's unlisted. Public? This should be better. Let's quickly check this. This is my unlucky day for streaming because everything's failing. I feel like Fanny today. What's this? Oh no. You want to know what I see? Look at this. My channel. There we are. I need to share this. Share. Embed. Oh, this is completely different than the other one. YouTube tends to have all different user interfaces for some reason, and each time it's different. I have to get some secrets here, secret sauce. I'm back in business. Let's see. Yes, we are live. Phew. Close this and close this and close this and close this. Oh. So back to where we were going on how to open a new document. What I was looking for was this one, get document as base 64. I was expecting it to have this somewhere in expand snippet, so it's not in there. This get document as base assumes a valid base 64 encoded docx file, but we don't have an base 64 encoded docx file. Come on. Do you really expect me to open a file first in as base 64? Is there also an open document? Open? No. This is everything. Really? Create document. Okay. Let's do it this way. Already saved this, so let's go to Google again. Google is your friend. Base 64 code file. Okay. Choose a file. See temp test. Okay, convert to base 64. Yeah. Control A, Control C. Now we have two words. My base 64 file equals to yeah, that's quite big. For this reason you don't want to use this. But obviously the Office.js API probably is not able to access your file system. So let's first see what's happening right now. Here's lorem. Just to see that it's different. Let's back to the code on the bottom of the file. Yes. Create document from my base document, base 64 file. And then context load. Okay. Context load my new doc. Then and then copy. And I don't want to do the error handling because the error handling is already in here. Return context sync, then function document open context sync. So why it's opening twice. Catch. I don't want to catch this. Nope. Let's see. Then function. I should think there should be semicolon. And it doesn't need to return, I think. Let's first see what's happening here. Let's run this. And let's prepare for a big crash. Oops. let's see, run code. And actually, there you have it. This is the new document. So you can see that actually it did create a new document from the string. This base 64 string. Close this again, and I must say it's rather fast. If you just do this again, run code, first open console. There you have it. That's really fast. And now the question is, can you also do this from the file system? Let's get back to Google again. Open file system, Office, JS, Word. In the open document format. No, this is not the API. How to load a Word add-in with a specific file read from the file system with Office.js. The method you want to use in this case is the insert file from base 64 method. There you have it again, that's Juan Balmori again. This method takes the first parameter as a base 64 encoded docx that you can insert. Check out the reference. Add-ins body product word. Note that you need to provide an experience of the user picking a file from the system using regular HTML file controls. Yes, that's the thing. And then base 64 encode it. Yes, for reasons of security, you're obviously not allowed to you're not allowed to read a file straight from the file system. So what you need to do in your little add-in, you need to create a file picker. So loading a file from HTML, and that will need some base 64 encoding, and then you can open the file. Thanks Juan, using the method I should make an HTTP request to get a document right. In this case it's not possible to load a file stored in the file system. The only possibility is call like get file. I'm sorry, I'm really Adobe. Not necessarily an HTTP request. Let's make it a little less noisy. Not necessary to create an HTTP request, you just need to get access to the file, whether it's a location on the web or file system. The method I mentioned avoids getting access to the file, assumes that the developer has access to it and encoded 64, base 64. And what's this little link showing? Yeah, so you should go to application, I think, and that says the New instance of Word application to JSON. It's this one. Create documents. Yes. And obviously there's no example, but maybe in GitHub for Script Lab. GitHub Script Lab. Script Lab, I should say. Let's see if there's a sample in there. No. No. Let's see. It's something, someone else's snippet. Yeah. Libraries. Let's see if there's something in the Script Lab itself. Samples. Content rules, list, paragraph, get word count, properties, ranges, table, scenarios, document assembly. No. Multiple at once. No. So no, no, no. So what we need to do is add a file picker. Google HTML file picker example. Yeah. Local files JavaScript. This is an old one. Using an input to select. It's like this. Drag and drop. Reading files. Read as binary string. Data. It's also doing base 64. Base. No. File picker base 64. Yeah. Get base 64 encode file data from input form. Read as data URL. Check for the file API support. Okay. Let's test this. what did my phone say? To answer my friend Dick Moffat. Marcel picks you up. Well, let's put this one in the little snippet. Come on. What's going on? Come on. Oh no. Oh. Come on. Come on. What's this? Tidy, analyze, maximize, fold? No. I just want to copy this. Copy. Get into the script lab. Come on. It's slowing my system down. Let's reload this, because I think the base 64 is slowing my system down. It's probably a huge memory hog. No! Come on! I think I lost my connection there. Oh, there we go again. No. Date. Connect again. Hopefully my remote is still working. Oh. Oh no. I think I need to reboot my virtual machine. Did we lose connection again? Let me check. It's a mess today. What I'm looking at right now is this. Is that what you are looking at? There's the commercial again. Oh, at least I get now. There we are again. Come on. My network is killing me. What is this? Come on. Looks like I got some update or something. It's a mess today.
And I hear her scream.
At least the soccer team won. That's the good news. So let me see if my YouTube is still active. Red, it's red on my thingy. Hello, is it you I'm looking for? There's a huge delay in my network. Thanks, Zigo, for messing up my live code. Let's check. Portal. Really huge delay in my recording. Stop the pretzel. Performance. My internet is spiking, and I'm clueless to. Let me check the details. CPU. That's all okay. Network. vMix very high. Yeah, but it's obviously because I'm streaming. network. vmix. That's okay. Let's see if Twitter is something to mention. No internet access. I think Ziggo is again down. Let's see. I think we have some issues here again. No radio, no TV. Internet bad. That's a couple of hours ago. Looks like there's a issue. Wow. Apparently let's just boot up again. Well, let's exit the stream again for the second time, and I'll be back in a while. Let's finally first close this one.